Hey guys, it's Mariela. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to walk you guys through my acne journey and specifically tell you how the Healing Clay mask or Bentonite Clay literally helped me get rid of my acne. But before we get started, please make sure to subscribe, like this video, and please also make sure to follow me on Instagram. So before you guys say there's no acne on her skin, let me tell you what my skin looked like before I started using the Healing Clay mask. That is what my skin looked like. My skin literally looked like that, guys. Like, I know it's crazy, but... So I'm gonna show you guys what the Healing Clay mask or Bentonite Clay did for me. I literally used it every day for 14 days. I took pictures and I kept video. So I'm gonna be able to show you guys the whole process if you tag along to the end of the video. Well, I'm only gonna tell you a very short story about my acne. I am gonna release another video just kind of walking you through absolutely my whole acne journey. But to keep this video short and focus on the Bentonite Clay, I'm just gonna tell you guys a very short story. So I was one of those people that I got kind of lucky during my teenage years. Like, I won't only get a pimple here and there. But like, I never really had any major breakouts as a teenager. But come my 20s and out of nowhere, guys, out of nowhere, I just started breaking out. I started having like these crazy breakouts. At first I thought, oh, you know, it'll pass. But then it got to a point that people started noticing my acne. It was like, what's going on with your skin? So when I got to that point, I finally decided, okay, let me go to the dermatologist. I was going to the dermatologist for like 3+ months. I was on dermatologist prescribed medication for 3+ months, guys. And when I tell you nothing was happening to my skin, it was getting worse because I guess because of the medication I was like purging or whatever, but it was just getting worse and worse and worse to a point that I started to get like really insecure about my acne. Like, it started to affect me. One day I decided I don't want to be on all this medication anymore, so I just dropped all the medication that was prescribed to me by the dermatologist, and I decided to start using all natural products and start, you know, just change my diet, of course, to a more natural diet. So that meant no dairy, you know, no milk, no ice cream. But most importantly, I started using the Healing Clay mask or the Bentonite Clay. And I kind of did a challenge. I challenged myself to use the Healing Clay mask every day for 14 days. So I used it every day for a whole 2 weeks to see what difference it would make what difference it would make on my skin. And guys, when I tell you it literally cured my acne, like, I couldn't freaking believe it. Let me show you guys what that whole process looked like. I am currently suffering from pretty bad acne. Gross. Look how bumpy my skin looks. Only imagine that's how it looks under my makeup too, so. All right, now let's let it work. It's magic. This is starting to like seriously throb and tingle. And it's really dry, so I cannot move my face. So I just got out of the shower, took the mask off. Skin's still ugly as fuck, but something that I do feel is like my forehead is a little burnt. It's a little red. The instructions in the mask did say that that was normal. All right, day 3. Have I noticed any differences from the first 2 days? Actually, I have, and excuse that my face is a little red right now. I actually just washed it and I was picking at it. Oh my god. But the differences that I have noticed is this morning I actually woke up with no new pimples. Usually I wake up with like a bunch of like little whiteheads. But this morning I woke up with no new ones, which was like, what? Hello. So today is day 4 that I'm gonna be putting on the mask. So as you guys can see, I am currently wearing makeup. My skin still looks pretty freaking bumpy under my makeup, but guys, I'm gonna tell you, this is actually an improvement than how it looked before, because before the bumps were like so much bigger, and now these bumps are not pimples, but they're scabs. So eventually they're gonna fall off and my skin is hopefully gonna be smooth. So I just wanted to kind of show you guys how my skin currently looks with makeup. Hey guys, so 7th day of using the mask. Oh god, this thing gets so tight. It's like so hard to talk with it. So far, these pimples over here have already gone down. There's just gonna be the scarring left behind, of course. And I did have some breakouts come up here, but they're also kind of disappearing. Like you see, you cannot really see the bumps either. And then here, this area is still doing very, very well, guys. So many of the bumps are gone. Like it's pretty incredible. Guys, I cannot believe this stuff is actually working. All right, so today is my last day. I literally have 0 new breakouts on my face. This is all scarring, which still sucks, but considering how my skin was 2 weeks ago, day 1 and day 14, it's insane. The difference between day 1 and day 14 with makeup also, you could really see how many bumps are just not there. Like I just stopped getting new breakouts. So I finished that whole process a couple of months ago, and I have stuck to like my natural product diet. I am still using the clay mask, not every day, but I still use it at least 2 to 3 times a week. And when I do get like random pimples, I also use it as a spot treatment. And I also have been using it to treat my acne scars, because it's supposed to be good for that as well. When I was done with that whole process, like this is what my acne scars looked like. And this is what my acne scars look like now. And this is me just using the clay mask and a moisturizer. Very important, guys. Even if you have oily skin or as oily as I do, make sure you still have to use a moisturizer, because otherwise your scars are never gonna go away if your skin is dry or not moist, I guess. So going through that whole ordeal did inspire me to only use natural products, and it also inspired me to start my own brand. So this is a clay mask I have been using for the past couple of months. This is absolutely 100% pure bentonite clay. My brand is called Perco Naturals. You can find it on Instagram, and you can place your order online to get the healing clay mask or the bentonite clay. And that is all from me, guys. So I really went through that horrible acne breakout. I tried a natural product. It absolutely worked for me. I was so amazed that I started my own brand essentially. And I'm making this video because I want you guys to know that there's natural products that work out there. So I'll link the healing clay mask at the bottom. Let me know your thoughts on the comments below. If you have any questions or anything at all I could help you with, go ahead. Just letting you guys know I am not a dermatologist whatsoever. I am literally just telling you guys my story, what helped me, and I am really hopeful that it will help you. All right, guys, bye. Take care.